Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my regular Boxycharm box. I can't wait to get in here and see what we've got. So this is the regular base box from Boxycharm and it is a $25 box. We should have 5 full-size products and wow, the variations this month. I got variation 35 on my premium. Let's see what I got with this one. When I open it up, that is what it looks like. And I have, acting like I can see it without my glasses, I have variation 18 with this one. I think the highest number that I've seen is 53 so far, but yeah, 53 variations. And that's what I have. Boxycharm's theme this month is festival vibes. And on the inside of this, yep, I have my product descriptions with their prices. So let's just dig right in. I see right on top a makeup eraser and it's called the Sunset Makeup Eraser. And the color is Sunset and I suspect it's variations. Let's see. I usually give these away, but when I saw somebody open this, I was like, you know, I wonder if I should give that another chance because it's so pretty. I think that if ever I were going to try it again, this would have to be the one. So I'm going to open it up. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And they say that if you get this one wet, you can just literally take your makeup off without any cleanser. I don't know if at that point they follow it with a cleanser. I don't think I could not wash my face, but I am intrigued by the process. Let's see what the paperwork says. Maybe it tells us more. The original makeup eraser in Sunset, the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patented polyester featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. $22 value. And I have said in the past, I have Norwex. It's a brand that I had a girlfriend that sold it. I have Norwex face cloths that I use, and their theory is you can use them without soap. I still use soap and then use them to cleanse off and get super clean, and I love the way it makes my skin feel, but I'm going to do the same thing with this, and we'll see how it goes. Reaching in next, I have Benefits, the Professional. Everybody got this month. I have seen everybody get this same box. It is a 0.75 fluid ounce, full size. I will open it to show you guys, but you know I love my no problem. So I'm not going to sample this in case I want to pass it along. This is what the bottle looks like, and it is the full size. That's fantastic. Let's see what the paperwork says. Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for a smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky, lightweight balm alone, under, or over makeup. We're going to circle back to that. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. $32 value. How would you put primer on over your makeup? Let me know below if you know the answer to that question. The hows, the whys. I have questions. That is one of them. Reaching in next, I have really festival vibe brushes. This is a Lavish brushes. I have seen these in a lot of the boxes. I'm going to take them out because I think I have to add them to my collection. I love that they are fancy colors. Not just the handles, but look, even the brushes are the colors. So this is the orange and the green, just like the handles. How fun is that? It's going to add a degree of difficulty to cleaning them because one won't know exactly when the pink is all off the pink eye blender, but I'll work it out. They feel pretty nice. They're fairly dense. I'm pretty happy with that. And I feel it on my hand. Yeah, at the bottom of this one, there's a spoolie. I could feel down where I was holding it. I just am so taken with those colors. It's the first thing that I've taken out of there. Well, no, I guess this is kind of festival vibes. We've got some color going on. Let's see what the paperwork says about these. Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. Indeed. It is a $29.99 value, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. I really like the way they look. They look like something I want to be playing with, and this must be a brush month for me with Boxy because in my premium, and I'll put the card here in case you haven't seen it yet, I got a 3-piece face brush set. So this is brush month. Okay. Next I have my choice, which was, wow, this is heavy. I'm really pleased with this. It looked much smaller in the picture. It is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. And that is what that looks like. Here's my thinking behind why I chose this. When we went in to make our choices, you could choose either this Elemis Superfood Cleansing, an Elemis Superfood Serum, or a Sueva eyeshadow palette. I know, and you're saying to yourself, why didn't you choose the eyeshadow palette? I don't know. I know what my thinking was at the time. My thinking was they were showing us only a few of them. They said we would get 1 of 10. All we could pick was eyeshadow palette. There were 10 options, and of all of the ones they were showing us, most of them were really, really warm. And I thought, you know, I'm going to get a bright orange rust palette. Now, since then, I have seen some Gab and Glam. You should go over and check hers out. She got a gorgeous palette. If I had known I could get that one, I definitely would have done it. I love Elemis. I love the Pro Collagen line. I've had a little less luck with the Superfood line, but I thought, you know what? It's a face cleanser. I'm going to give it a shot. And it's a foaming face cleanser. So let's do it. Oh, so it just foams really nicely. Oh, it smells green and nice. It smells really nice, actually. One pump should do your whole face. I mean, I can take a bath with this. So it is definitely a one pump gig. I like the smell of it. It smells clean, a little green, a little cleansery. I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and wipe this off. And I'm trying to wipe off cleanser with a cleansing thing, and all I seem to be doing is making suds. Just for the record, this says use 2 to 3 pumps, massage over damp skin, avoiding the eye area, and rinse with warm water. I don't think you would need 2 to 3 pumps, but go ahead, give it a shot. So if I use this to take off my makeup and my eye makeup, and then I follow up with this, I have a real theme going this month. The paperwork says, Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. This unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. The soothing formula helps to comfort the skin caused by dehydration and leave skin with a fresh-looking complexion. All of those words sound fantastic for me, which is another reason that I lean toward this. It talks about calming and hydrating and comforting. Those are great words for me. So I hope that I love it. It's funny that it also has the Cica Calm in it. I'll tell you, I don't think we've gotten many boxes this month that didn't have a Cica product in it. It is definitely the in ingredient now. Back of my hand feels very nice. It doesn't feel at all dried out. I like it. Last but not least, I have an Iconic Illuminator. And I'm kind of pleased. It looks like I got one of the lighter colors, so that works good. Does it say somewhere what my color is? Original. I have the original. The paperwork says that this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. $41. In case I didn't tell you, that Elemis cleanser was $32. I don't remember if I told you or not. Let's look at this and see. We'll see how much we get out of one drop. See if it's a blend it with a, oh, it's very shiny. Even just like that. I love the way that looks. Oh, wow. That will make you good and glowy. Can you see? Look at the... All right, my hand is ready. Festival vibes, remember? My hand is festival ready. Doesn't really have a scent. I don't know what I expected it to smell like. I like it. I think I can use it. I don't think that it has a little bit of gold in there, just a little bit. But even if I can't use it now with just a skosh of summer, I will definitely be able to use that. Like it. Okay, that is my Boxycharm box for April 2020. I'm happy. I like all of the products that I got. I count on Boxycharm to be a makeup box. And this is a little more like an Ipsy box to me. I feel like I have more skincare going on. I guess that's not fair. I don't really have skincare. I just also don't have makeup. I have a makeup remover, which I am happy to try. I have a cleanser, which I can't wait to try. I have a eye brush set. We've got the primer, and I have the iconic illuminator, which is the closest I got to makeup in this entire box. How about that? Let me know below what you think. Do you like the skincare boxes? Do you prefer the makeup boxes? Do you like a better blend than this? What do you guys think? The value of my box is $157, so there can be no question that it is worth it. I mean, this alone more than covers the box, and I am very anxious to try this, so it is absolutely worth it to me. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come out and come over and say, hey, and let me know what you think about the box. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Please take care of yourselves out there. Bye, guys.